So, is it safe to drive while trading? The answer, quick answer, is no, it's not safe to actually execute trades while you're driving. It's illegal. Don't do it. It's very stupid to do that. Having said that, let's think about market neutral options trading for a minute. The essence of this form of trading is that you are net short time premium, and therefore, as every day goes by, theoretically, you should be gaining that portion of your trades representing the time premium should be gaining a little bit every day from the decay of time premium, which we call theta in options trading. So while a market neutral options trader should not physically trade while driving, the fact is he should be profiting to some extent every day from the time decay on his market neutral options trades, because the passage of time is a factor which is in favor of the types of trades that we do. So therefore, you can profit from your trades while driving, but you shouldn't actually physically execute them. Let's clear that up right away. Now, I'm bringing all this up because we have a group mentoring program going on right now, and we've got a student in our group, Ken, who's done something very unique in his life, and that is he's trading while driving, like I'm talking about, which is he some time ago made a decision, he and his wife, that they were going to sell every possession they have, pretty much, and get into a mobile home and start driving around the country wherever they wanted to go. And they did just that, and they spent the winter in Jacksonville, Florida. I think that's a very intelligent thing to do, and have traveled pretty much wherever they want to go in the United States in their mobile home. His wife has a candle business where she sells candles over the internet. That's her contribution to the family income. And he trades for a living, and that's his contribution to the family income. So it can be done. It occurred to me that you may be interested in understanding how it can be done. And so this is not the only trader in our options trading community who trades in a very unusual way. We've got one member who regularly joins our Options Tribe trading contest and is on the leaderboard, by the way, frequently. He is a Southwest Airlines pilot. So he's in the air very frequently when the market is active, and nonetheless he is a successful options trader. We've got a guy on our trading desk who lives in Indonesia, another successful trader on our desk, and he is asleep from noon Eastern time on, because that's midnight on for him in Indonesia. He's been successful. We have many other members of our community who have various activities that they need to do or want to do during the day, and they have been able to successfully trade as well. So how are they doing it? Well, they have two things in common. The first thing is most of these people have adopted trading styles that require a once-a-day check of their positions, and if adjustments are necessary, they will make those adjustments at that time. Certain trading styles do not necessitate sitting there at the screen babysitting the trade. Others do, but those who cannot be in front of the screen frequently have adopted such styles. As long as you backtest and make sure that adjusting something once a day works, then it can be a valid way to go. And of course, you have to go beyond backtesting. You've also got to trade it live for a while to see if this is really practical and it really works in the system. However, no matter how great your system is, no matter how much you've developed a hands-off kind of approach except for once a day, you do, and this is the second thing all of these traders have in common, you must, absolutely must have a backup system so that if the market goes bonkers, you have a way of addressing it without creating serious damage to your account. And this takes various forms. Our Indonesian trader, for example, he has a buddy here in the US, a guy who lives in Wisconsin who's been trading with us for years. That's his buddy. If he's got to go to sleep and he's concerned about one of his positions, he will have orders in with his buddy to do certain things if the market dramatically sells off or dramatically rallies. So if you have someone who has the username and password for your account, can get in and make trades for you, and you trust that person, it's pretty important to trust that person, then you can safely go about your business or go to sleep or fly your plane or whatever and be able to successfully trade. Our friend Ken, he sets alerts on his phone. His broker allows trade alerts or facilitates trade alerts on his phone, and he literally will pull over to the next rest area if an alert goes off, and he'll make the trade that he needs to make, and then probably grab a snack, go to the restroom, and head back on the road. So that's how Ken handles it. Other traders have brokers who have sophisticated conditional order systems, and it allows them to say if the SPX index sells off below 2,600 after 10:30 a.m. in the morning Eastern time, please buy the following put or please buy the following call, and then sophisticated order mechanisms which allow you to hopefully try to get an optimal price for that option as well. The point being, traders who have to be away from their desk can also solve the market going bonkers problem by conditional orders with their brokers. The bottom line is market neutral options traders do not have to be in front of their screen every day. We have proof of that with successful traders who are driving around in mobile homes, asleep, in planes, out playing golf, etc. But what they do, all of the successful ones, is they have a rock solid risk management system, a backup system, whether it's a buddy or a trade alert or conditional order, to make sure that their trades are safely traded while they do not have access to the market. So you can do it, but you've got to do it carefully. You have responsibilities to your family and so forth to preserve your capital and grow it. But if you don't have risk management in place, then you're not being prudent. So think about that. If you, next time that you can't be in front of the screen, you can employ one or more of these techniques, and hopefully it'll be a safe situation for you. Thanks.